Hi guys, it's Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. So one of my subscribers, Raymond, sent me a letter and said that he and his mom miss seeing my videos about the farm and garden and just general updates and stuff like that. It's a little harder to do that now since all my stuff's up in New York State for the most part, but I've got some clips from up there and some neat stuff that's been going on, and I'll show you my little garden down here. So this is my big butterfly bush. The hummingbirds like it. I'm going to include some footage of the hummers as well for your enjoyment. They give us a lot of enjoyment. We really get a kick out of them. So let's get to that's my big butterfly bush. I love the blooms on this. See how pretty that is. This big thing is my volunteer pumpkins. Yeah, volunteered. They've really kind of taken over. I have Iris there on the end, and I got to move these vines, but you can see there's little itty bitty kohlrabies coming. And then over here are cabbages and an experiment, sweet potatoes. I've got my little bird bath, and this is pretty cool. This is a solar light, so that comes on when it gets dark. My Rose of Sharon here kind of took a beating. But the hummingbird feeders, another volunteer pumpkin, and then I'm pretty pleased. These are my tomatoes. These ones, you can see they're coming on pretty soon. And the marigolds, which are a companion plant with the tomatoes, because they are a natural bug deterrent for tomatoes. They complement each other, plus they have nutrients that the tomatoes like. I actually planted these straight from seed, and they are really doing well. I'm so pleased. So I think I'm not even going to bother with transplants next year. I did a couple transplants on the deck, and so we've had a few tomatoes from that, from the cherry tomatoes and those, and missed some of my earlier flowers, and it rained, but you can see these pretty guys, including Mr. Bumblebee. I love the flowers. And there's Mr. Bumblebee. So I'll throw in some slides also of some of the farm life stuff. But that's how things are doing around the house. Pretty soon. Like I said, these are at the end. I've got a couple more here coming on. I just picked these yesterday. But you can see there's more cherry tomatoes coming on, and they've been really sweet. And some more. So I'm getting something. It's better than nothing. do you think?